foggy, misty, almost spooky start to the trip. On a cold day, what could be better than stopping at Turangi for a hot pie? Desert Road is my favourite road, but not so nice on a weekday. This poor truck driver was having a bad day. We see the snow-covered Ruapehu over this way, but not today. A fantastic windy country back road with a couple of slips along the way to keep you on your toes. The Rangatakai Bridge was opened in 1925 to provide farmers a reliable way to get their wool and meat to the ports of Napier. The lady at the camp was nice enough to give me a hot deal, so I upgraded from a tent to this great little cabin. This is what you do when you realise you're parked on the incoming side of the gates.
Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
I was just about to leave when I realised I hadn't visited the beach yet. Cool waterfall with another one on the left hand side. Stop at the world renowned Hooker Falls with all the tourists taking selfies. It's the most visited natural attraction in New Zealand, with nearly 250,000 litres of water per second travelling through here, enough to fill an Olympic swimming pool every 11 seconds. A quick stop at the tranquil Mangakino, then off for the final leg home. The end to another excellent adventure.